Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video, we'll be going over what Shopify scripts are. It's a really cool feature you can add to your Shopify Plus store. So we'll give you a full explanation here in this video, so make sure you stay until the end. Before I dive into it, I want to talk about our sponsor, ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It will allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your business with real-time calculations. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to understand how much your store is truly making. You're also going to get a variety of detailed analytics to understand your store's true performance. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, and I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover ProfitCalc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So first, let's go over what Shopify scripts are. They're small pieces of code that let you create personalized experiences for your customers in their cart and at the checkout page. Something to note is that the Scripts and Scripts Editor app are only available for Shopify Plus merchants. In terms of where you can run these scripts, you can run them in your online store and in the following app, so custom apps built with the Storefront API, JavaScript by SDK, Mobile by SDK, for Android and iOS, as well as custom apps that generate checkout, or TapCart, Floba app, Varo, and other mobile app builders. So you may be wondering why you would want to use a Shopify script, and what it comes down to is the ability to make advanced customizations. So we take a look at some of these script examples. You can create discount products with specific tags to offer a percentage or fixed discount, or a combination of both, based on the products in the cart. You can run promotions with simple or complex logic, so buy one get one, buy two get 10% off, or even something like buy four get 20% off. You can offer dynamic pricing with volume-based breaks, modify, hide, or reorder shipping options and prices. You can do the same thing with payment gateway methods. In terms of how many scripts you could run, that's up to 200 Shopify scripts for your store. In terms of creating a script, you want to open up the script editor from your Shopify store page, and you can start creating your snippets as well as giving it a title. Now you may be wondering how to actually write the code for these scripts. Shopify has done a great job at giving you examples you can use for your store rather than having to go hire a developer for these. And so if we head into Shopify's script editor app on their help page here, go down to example scripts, you can see different examples for line item scripts, shipping scripts, payment scripts, as well as a discount example. If we take a look at line item scripts here, it's going to give you the exact steps here on how to create it. It's also going to give you an example for tiered cart discounts, as well as tiered product discounts by quantity, as well as many more. And so you can copy and paste this code here, which is going to save you quite a bit of time. It's also going to give a good explanation on what this script does and also what each of the sections mean. So here they did a good job of explaining what the discount message was, what the discount amount was, what the threshold and type were, making it really easy to edit these scripts yourself. If we scroll through here, we can see there are quite a few examples with a ton of code already written, making that process that much easier. You can also create scripts if you do use multiple currencies for your store. You can do the same methods as before. In terms of testing and debugging these scripts, that's where the script editor comes in. So it's Shopify's own tool. That's going to allow you to check your code for basic errors when writing a script. It also reports errors that occur in published script and sends you an email when those errors occur. Overall, it's a great tool here as it's going to allow you to make sure things are working as they should be. This concludes the video here on an explanation on what Shopify scripts are, some examples of what you can use with them, as well as where to access pre-built code here for those different examples. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention ProfitCalc one more time. There's a link in the description below. Access a 15-day free trial so you can understand how truly profitable your Shopify store is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.